Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix GCash app account is on hold. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your browser and type in gcash.com. So now why we over here is that sometimes when you have opened up your GCash app or account and you have gone through the verifying process for you to get an account, if it's not completed yet, or there might be some misinformation that they don't find correct, then that means they can hold your account and you can get the notification or the pop-ups whenever you try to access your Gcash account. So for that, since you cannot solve it on your own, you gotta go to the website and go to the direct customer or help center for us to simply contact them and let them know your worries and let them check it out. So from once you over here, you simply have to scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on this chat with Gigi, which will be their online assistance. Let her know the concern of yours, or they ask the contact number regarding the official help support. So that is one of the option. And as I mentioned, you have to directly contact them. So go to the contact us and simply call their hotlines, which is given over here. And if chatting with Gigi helps you directly, then that's a good news. Otherwise, go ahead, call them, and you will be able to solve it out. So hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.